Okay, I'm using 3 items here. A meat slicer, a meat fork, and a maple cutting board. All 3 are essential. I'm going to show you very quickly how I like to carve this roast. And that is the correct way to carve a roast. You need these 3 items. Once again, meat fork, meat slicer, maple cutting board. Most importantly, score the tools. Buy the best quality the first time. Santoku knives from Japan, the real deal. Butcher Block, USA. Custom sizes, free shipping. Check out the sponsor. This is the good stuff. Wow. This beef roast stew is going to be amazing. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor, shop small, and have a wonderful holiday season. These butcher blocks come in round, square, rectangle, maple, cherry, walnut, and red oak. Ideal for kitchen, bar, islands, restaurants, home remodeling. Improve your kitchen and your cooking experience. Free shipping and discounts. Contact your sponsor. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. The best vanilla for the best chefs, for the best gourmet cooks, for the best consumers. I just like the best. What's wrong with that? Butcher Block, made in America. Oh yeah, this is the best you can get. This one has been cut on over 25 years. Well, people ask me, what's the big deal about it? Well, the big deal is you get the best and it lasts, and you buy the best the first time. I'll show you just what I mean here. Take my knife. Remember, this is the Japanese Damascus. This thing's razor sharp. I'm dicing or mincing some herbs, some onions, some garlic, and I've cut on this block millions and millions of times. Okay? Doesn't hurt it a bit. I use my scraper, remove my food, oil it once in a while, good to go. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block Available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good.